In this video I will show you how to replace the ignition coils on 2014 to 2019 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra equipped with 4.8 and 5.3-liter engines. Step number 1. Park the truck on a level surface, engage the emergency brake and place blocks in front of and behind the rear wheels for safety. 2. Disconnect the plastic line shown on the screen by pressing inward with your hand on the connector lock and simultaneously pulling the line outward with your hand to completely disconnect it. 3. Next, disconnect the line at the bottom where it connects to the valve cover. Press inward with your hand on the connector lock and simultaneously pull the hose outward to completely disconnect it. Once both ends are disconnected, remove the line from the engine and set it aside. 4. Remove the engine oil filler cap by turning it counterclockwise by hand and set it aside. 5. Once the engine oil filler cap is removed, proceed to remove the plastic cover shown on the screen by simply pulling it upward with your hands to gain access to the ignition coils. 6. Once the plastic cover has been removed, reinstall the engine oil filler cap in its original position to prevent any objects or tools from accidentally falling into the engine while you perform the repair. 7. Disconnect the electrical cable from the coil. To do so, release the red electrical connector lock by pulling it upward with your hand or using a small flathead screwdriver. Once the lock is released, press inward with your hand on the connector's tab or lock and simultaneously pull the connector upward to completely disconnect it. 8. Disconnect the spark plug wire by twisting it slightly and pulling it downward simultaneously. 9. Next, remove the two screws holding the coil with a ratchet and a 10mm socket. Once the screws are removed, proceed to remove the old ignition coil by simply pulling it out by hand. 10. Install the new ignition coil in its original position and partially install the screws by hand. 11. Tighten the bolts according to the specifications described in the owner's manual and install the new spark plug wire in its original position, ensuring it fits properly. Likewise, connect the electrical plug in its original position, ensuring it fits properly. Repeat the same procedure on the remaining ignition coils. 12. Once all the ignition coils have been replaced, install the remaining components in their original positions in the reverse order in which they were removed, ensuring they fit correctly. 13. Start the truck and take it for a test drive. Warning: now that the truck is firing on all 8 cylinders, you run the risk of doing a serious burnout if you floor the accelerator pedal. Tires are not cheap, but a burnout looks super cool. That's how simple it is to replace the ignition coils on 2014 to 2019 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra pickup trucks equipped with 4.8 and 5.3-liter engines.